Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new Google Sheet quickly and easily. If this helps, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get into it. First of all, open Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and going to sheets.google.com. Click on enter. And after that, you will see an interface like this. Now click on blank spreadsheet. This will create a new untitled Google Sheet. At the top of the left of the new sheet, click on where it says untitled spreadsheet. Now type in a name for your sheet to help keep things organized. So I'm gonna giving a name here. And now you are all set. Here you can see that a Google Sheet is created. Now you can begin entering data, creating formulas, or using any of Google Sheets features. And there you have it. You have created new Google Sheet. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to Mr. TechFox for more tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.